Hi, today I will show you how to change the oil on a Yamaha Road Star Midnight. First step, jack up the bike in order to insert underneath the collecting oil pan. Next step, remove the oil engine drain plug using a 70mm ratchet. Next step, remove the second drain screw using a 70mm key. This bike, since it has a dry sump oil pump, it has two drain bolts. Remove the seat in order to unscrew the oil filler cap. Insert back the screw.
Cred că atât. Da.
Next step, remove the oil filter and leave it a couple of minutes to drain. Before inserting the new filter, put some new oil in it and lube the o-ring. Before screwing the new filter, clean the surface. And now the final step, adding the new oil into the oil tank. Yamaha recommends first to use 2 liters into the bike. After that, start the bike, let it run for around 2 minutes, and after that, put the rest of the oil in it. In total, with oil filter, should be around
Așa, și dă ok.
4.1 liters.
Bine să nu am treabă, poți să-i dai singur.
Păi stai, cum e?
Mergi pe oricum
E
mai...
pe, da, e pe litru, da?
S-a prins verde ceva pe
Da,
aici?
da, da, da.
Super. Hai, să-i trag șoc.
Asta am să zic.
Ia.